New 1. Belarus 5425. Super powerful new flagship 2026-2027. Overview and status. This is the most powerful conventional tractor announced by MTZ, positioned as a traction Class 8 heavy-duty machine. First presented at the BELAGRO 2025 show, with field tests ongoing in late 2025. Series production is planned to start in 2027, after additional test runs. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru+1. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru. Key specifications expected. Engine. Weikai WP14T diesel, around 542 horsepower, 402 kilowatts output. Transmission. Full power shift 18 forward × 6 reverse automatic ELC. Fuel tank. Approximately 900 L for approximately 10 hours continuous operation. Hydraulics. High capacity system approximately 350 L per minute. Lifting capacity. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru+1. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru. Front linkage approximately 5.5 T. Rear linkage approximately 12 to 17 T depending on spec. Cabin and comfort. Modern ergonomic cab with climate control and improved operator controls. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru+1. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru. Round pushpin. This model is aimed at large farms and heavy implement work, competing with high-power tractors worldwide. Powertrain International. New 2. Belarus MTZ 3522, heavy-duty 300-plus HP workhorse. MTZ has ramped up production plans for the 3522 series, targeting approximately 80 to 90 units per month in early 2026. The 3522 is a high-horsepower wheeled tractor suited for deep tillage, large-mounted and trailed equipment, and energy-intensive tasks. It continues Belarus's legacy of robust farm tractors for medium-large-scale agriculture. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru+1. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru. Video and user reviews online are starting to surface as 2026 tractors are tested. YouTube. New 3. Belarus 2303. New crawler tractor, belt drive. Introduced at BELAGRO 2025, the Belarus 2303 is a crawler track tractor offering excellent traction for soft or uneven soils. Engine. YAMS 53645A41 diesel with approximately 255 horsepower. Transmission. 16F8R mechanical gearbox. Weight dimensions. About 12,500 kilograms, suited for tough terrain. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru. Prvij Tenachestij www1.ru. Tractor Standard and Continued Models 2026. Alongside the new high-end tractors, MTZ's core Belarus lineup continues production with updated versions for 2026, models that are widely used globally and in markets like Pakistan. Irish Farmers Monthly. Model. Power HP. Transmission. Drive. Typical price EXCL. VAT. Belarus 920/920.3. Approximately 81 to 85. 14 plus 4. 4 WD. Euro 34,000 41,000 euros. Irish Farmers Monthly. Belarus 952/950.3. Approximately 90 to 95. 14 plus 4. 4 WD. Euro 42,000 43,500 euros. Irish Farmers Monthly. Belarus 1025 1025.3. Approximately 105 to 110. 16 plus 8. 4 WD. Euro 46,648,400 euros. Irish Farmers Monthly. Belarus 1221.3. Approximately 135. 16 plus 8. 4WD, tilde Euro 60,000. Irish Farmers Monthly. Belarus 1523.3. Approximately 150. 16 plus 8. 4WD, tilde Euro 70,400. Irish Farmers Monthly. Right arrow. These are versatile tractors suited for general farming, cultivation, transport, and implement use. Irish Farmers Monthly. Package local production and market notes. Pakistan Assembly. Tata Cement's subsidiary secured an agreement to assemble Belarus tractors locally in Baluchistan, boosting local supply and parts support. Pro-Pakistani. Global presence. MTZ continues exporting tractors worldwide and is increasing production and parts manufacturing capacities. Belarus Tractor. Pushpin Summary. What's coming in 2026-2027? Small Diamond Belarus 5425. Ultra-powerful flagship. Mass production in 2027 after tests in 2026. Small Diamond Belarus MTZ 3522. Heavyweight workhorse with expanded production. Small Diamond Belarus 2303. New crawler variant for tough terrain. Small Diamond Core lineup upgrades. Continued mainstream models 920, 952, 1025, 1221, 1523. Small Diamond. Local assembly and parts expansion, especially